Okay, so follow me to check our factory today. No fish, pack machine, all ready to go. These are normal vending machine, but it's custom made. Some others. This ice vending machine will be out real soon, but it's testing, but it's not ready for sale. You can see here over here, all the machines are ready to go. Testing, testing, cleaning. You can see the custom made one. For Israel client, cotton candy. This is also for the Israel client. You may know this brand is a famous park, amusement park over there. Israel, and they have different branch in UK and in other countries. This is over here. This is also another one. This is the back side. You can see this is the back. On the side, candy floor, the front. Yeah. So you can over here. Okay, let me show you. This is the front, and this glass, the acrylic window is custom made like this, an alien image. And it will automatic open, and you take the candy and it close slowly.